have our M895VL Charlotte purse. Your monogram will go here, centered between the handles on the opposite side of the interior zipper pocket. Slide the bag onto a 6.5 by 5 inch slimline clamp frame, carefully leaving the vegan strap first, centered on the bag. Trace the sewing area to ensure the monogram fits inside of the frame. Now you can begin sewing. All the items used in this video can be purchased at wholesale-boutique.com. At WB, we use Slimline 1 clamps to embroider almost everything in our line. This is the lowest profile clamping system available on the market. With 9 window sizes available, this is a perfect choice for embroidering products that vary in size and shape. We only use MagnaGlide bobbins here at WB. Their patented magnetic core create a consistent delivery through the entire bobbin. No more interruptions for tension adjustments as your bobbin gets smaller. When your sew is complete, remove the item from the frame. There you have a finished product. Click the links in the description below to view the items used in this video.